Welcome to Frontierland, where every day is a fun time to be in Frontier. We'll be leaving soon, so as soon as we get some water in our tanks, and we'll be heading through zippity-doo-dah land of Splash Mountain, through Critter Country, and on to Tomorrowland. No, to Mickey's Toontown. You all stay now in your seats. Keep your hands and arms where we can see them. Otherwise we'll all shoot you. Board? Boop, boop. Board? Come on, you guys. Where'd you stop for? Here we are at Mickey's Toontown Depot. There you can see the majestic Matterhorn. And across here is the happiest place on earth, where all the kids sing like retards. And if you don't believe me, I take that back. They don't sing like that. All the kids sing and smile, and it's the happiest place on earth. Welcome to It's a Small World, put on by Bank of America. We'll be now leaving the happiest kingdom of all, Fantasyland, and heading to Tomorrowland. Board? Here we are in Tomorrowland. As you can see, the monorail is one of them newfangled things, and flying saucers and Space Mountain, and you can even ride a subs if you're daring to. I don't do liquid space, but maybe you do. Our next stop and journey will take us beyond the realm of the Grand Canyon, and beyond that, the land of the dinosaurs, or better known as Primeval World. You all hang on to them hats and coats now, because we're heading out. Board? Now we're traveling across quiet now. As the train comes to a stop, there's another train ahead of us. We have to wait for them to get out of our way, so we can bring it into the happiest place of all, the Magic Kingdom, and at Disneyland, Main Street, USA, as we steam back into our own time. Not that fast. Your attention, please. The Disneyland Limited, now arriving from a trip around Disney's Magic Kingdom. Now we're just going to let the train run the whole track, if it'll make it. We got the Lily Bell on board, so we have a full load. It's a nice hot summer day, only with temperature running around 115 degrees. There's about 50,000 guests here at the park, and I ain't gonna stick around. I'm off, so I'll see y'all later. Have fun now in the park now. Your attention, please. The Disneyland Limited now leaving for a grand circle tour of Mickey's Toontown, Frontierland, that's backwards, Frontier through to Toontown, Tomorrowland, and the Primeval World. Board? Getting slick there. Listen how quiet that engine runs. That's the engine I took out of, I got off eBay, and it wouldn't run. It runs now. Let's zoom in on it right comes around. Check it around one more time. Around the Magic Kingdom, as you can see that I've built it. Today we will be working on Splash Mountain as soon as the Imagineers get here to do their damn job. Your attention please, the Disneyland Limited now arriving from a grand circle tour around Disneyland, the Magic Kingdom, and all that crap. Anyhow, we're here. Have fun in the frontier, or wherever you may be. Bored? Yep, I'm bored. Anyway. Thanks for watching, everyone. You know what to do. You gotta subscribe right down here. Right there. Subscribe right there. Right there. I want you to subscribe right there. Am I going nuts today? Yes. I'm bored. So, we're here at Disneyland. I've shut the power off so my wife can watch TV because my train set seems to draw power from this whole house. So, I'm going to work on Splash Mountain. Whoever is interested in watching, I will be live. If you're not going to watch, I'm not going to go live. I'm just going to go crazy. No, I will record it, and then I will post it on at Magic Mitch Arts Show here on the YouTube channel. Once again, thanks again for watching, and be sure to watch my other channels. I have other channels. Can't think of their names right now. How about This Day in Disneyland Disney History? That's one of them. And then my newest one, which is I don't remember. The newest one is my other YouTube channels that you can see me on are This Day @Disneyland and parentheses Disney History. The other one you can see more Disney stuff on is E-Ticket to Tomorrowland Vlog. And I don't have anyone on there yet. I have my opening video. I'd like the video so you people will do a interview with Disney Entertainment, Disney. These could be ex-people who are no longer with them because we know you guys can't talk about Disney if you work there. If you don't work there, go right ahead. No, you know, I don't really care if you don't talk about Disney, just as long as you do an interview with me. I know you're watching my shows because I've got 255 subscribers. Thank you, everyone who subscribed. I really want to thank. I got 4 subscribers. 4 of you guys subscribed today. Thank you. And it wasn't even for Disney. It was about cats. Did you know you could be allergic to a cat? I mean, a cat can be allergic to you? Who knew? Fun facts. Well, thanks again for watching, everyone. And like I said, subscribe it right here. Right here.